Campion College, Veer Technical, Wolmer's, Immaculate Conception, St. Jago, Hydel, Edwin Allen, and Homewood Technical. Wolmer's won this event at Champs last year. They clocked 44.99 seconds. The record here, 44.81, set by Edwin Allen in 2021.
St. Jago has a very good team. They have been running well all season. Let's see if they can upstage a well-coached Edwin Allen team.
Starting out in lane 8, Homewood Technical, their time coming in 46.38. Lane number 7, their time coming in 46.08. Edwin Allen. Lane number 6, their time coming in, we've got 45.90 seconds for Hydel. Lane 5, 45.73 seconds, St. Jago.
Shania Campbell leads off for St. Jago.
They have the fastest time coming in here. Lane 4, their time coming in 46.45, Immaculate Conception.
This is their hurdler, Kyra Loy Kelly.
In lane number 3, the defending champions, their time coming in 46.81, Wolmer's.
Sarah Williams on lead-off leg for Wolmer's.
Lane 2 with a qualifying time of 47.05 seconds. We have got Veer Technical. And completing the lineup in lane 1, 47.66. Coming in, Campion College. 4x100 meters, class 2 girls final. Again, the record, 44.81 seconds, set by Edwin Allen back in 2021. They won the class 1 event. Let's see what they'll do in the class 2 decider.
On your marks.
All settled. For the class 2 girls, 4x100 meters.
Set.
Away they go now. It's another clean start. Wolmer's, Immaculate, St. Jago, Edwin Allen ranging up on the outside. On the first handover, St. Jago, Edwin Allen down the backstretch. St. Jago is in there as well, in the thick of things. St. Jago, Hydel, Edwin Allen, St. Jago in there for sure. Look at the top 3 at this stage. Hydel, Edwin Allen, St. Jago bubbling to the ball now on the final handover. It's St. Jago from Hydel. Edwin Allen trying to reel them in. St. Jago look good. They have been superlative this season, and they will go their way to the gold medal here. St. Jago, the battle is on for silver and bronze between Hydel and Edwin Allen. Absolutely no doubt about the winner though. St. Jago, flash time 44.82 officially, 44.81 for St. Jago, 44.81. That means they have equaled the record for the class 2 girls in the 4x100 meters. A spectacular performance.
Fantastic performance, Spencer. Another sub 45 seconds clocking on the female side. Kudos again to the coaches as you watch the replay. Edwin Allen, I think, got the best start, and they did a great job on the first leg.
Yes, Edwin Allen out early, and St. Jago, the new meet record holders in the mix here, running well for St. Jago. Edwin Allen in lane 7 moving well, and Hydel, St. Jago and Edwin Allen battling it out into this third leg as they move into the final exchange. Hydel with the slight advantage, that smooth exchange for St. Jago, with Trecia and Grant running this anchor leg for St. Jago. Takes them home in meet record fashion.
Of course, Daniel. And the fluidity of the exchanges with the St. Jago team, they are going to be a force to be reckoned with at the pen relays. Great exchanges. Obviously, they know each other. They have been practicing well, and a fantastic job. And I'm just happy to see two teams, Class 1, Class 2, running sub 45 seconds. Happy for the females.
Alrighty, we're going to make another switch. Let's welcome Jermaine Brown once again. He will join Maurice Wilson and Daniel Dowie.
Thanks, Spencer. Of course, looking back at the final placings for the Class 2 girls, St. Jago High 44.81, equaling the record there. Edwin Allen 45.25 for the silver. Heidel third, 45.31. Wolmer's girls, Homewood and Campion rounding out the field there.